So it's Wednesday. It's about 5:30, and Mom and David are coming out to the site for the first time. So I apologize for the wind. If you guys hear the wind, I apologize. And with us is Renee. And Danny's right here. Danny?
Hey, I'm here.
Still, Danny's still here. And Mom and Dad are surveying Mom and David are surveying the scene of the apartment. The duplex.
Yeah, there's a whole. Yeah.
And the part Mom's walking up here now was the living room. And up against that was the TV. In the distance, there's a red dot, it's a car, and a car in the duplex next door has been, it's up inside the duplex itself. So I'm going to get through some of this debris here. This is the driveway where they would have come. And if you can see in the distance is the park, with some more houses back there. And there's David's car. It's been moved about 20 feet. This is what would have been their backyard. And the blue car would be my mom's. The X's indicating search and rescue has checked the vehicles for any persons being inside of there. So here's what would have been their back steps. Mom, your green oven didn't make it. The green oven, avocado oven that I love so much, has been lost in the storm. And this would have been their back porch. This is looking north. This is the duplex that's north. And then beyond that, it's north. And hard to believe, but actually just 4 blocks from where I'm at, it's where my dad lives and my brother. And everybody's fine over there. This is Danny and Renee, and Danny's going to offer to do some entertainment.
I don't own him either.
Renee does not own him. So here we're going to go up and we're going to get a view of the east, which is directly across the street. Pardon the bumpiness. This is looking south again. This is Connecticut Street, 1700 block of Connecticut. They just opened up the road here today for traffic to go through. This is a main artery here in town. So, let me get up here and show you a little panoramic view here. This is looking north. Again, the X is marking search and rescue. And I honestly don't know if there was anybody that was killed or trapped in this part of town. And I don't have Zoom on this on my phone. I've got this Windows phone. The skies look pretty ominous right now, but it's just probably looks a little worse on video than it is. you're looking north. So this is what I came up on right after the storm hit, and it was chaotic, and I thought my mom and David were in here still. Luckily they were able to get out, and some passersby took them to the local hospital, and they were one of the first ones to get there, but because they weren't critical, they were sent on a school bus to Grove, Oklahoma, which is about an hour away, and we were able to find them. So I'm going to try to get up here. We don't need to be putting that on video. But ironically, and because you have to have a sense of humor, this book reads How to Get It Together When Your World is Coming Apart. Mom, the subflooring is soaked and warped already. Wow, this is look how much that's warped. So if you can see this mess and possibly even imagine what it's like in reality, that they were even underneath here. At David's feet is a tub, and that's what my mom was in when the tornado was over. So this video is getting into 8 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and end it here, and I will keep posting video updates as we come across things. But I just wanted to tell everybody thank you for their prayers. And we love Joplin very much. And praise God that everybody's alive here.